Found a template file in your Visual Studio directory? This is a project template that accelerates development by providing pre-configured starting points for new projects. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you install and use these development templates. Near the end, we'll discuss the essential features of a professional-grade template file inspection tool that supports hundreds of other formats as well. Template files are Visual Studio project template packages containing pre-configured source code. Project structures build configurations and resource files. They provide standardized starting points for creating new development projects with consistent architecture, coding patterns, and dependency configurations. Visual Studio. Template files use a zip compressed package containing a vstemplate, XML manifests defining template, metadata, parameter, substitutions, project structure, and file references. The package includes source code files, project configurations, and optional wizard assemblies for customized project creation. The optimal viewer for the template format is generally considered to be Microsoft Visual Studio from Microsoft Corporation. The file structure is too complex for native Windows editing tools to manage reliably. Windows cannot run the script instructions, so actual execution depends on a suitable engine. To force file access, right-click your template file and select Open With. If Microsoft Visual Studio is an option, test it. If it's not available, choose another program. We are trying to find the specific compatibility bridge. Your file is proving to be a real challenge. Let's conduct a series of targeted tests on these common points of system file failure right now. First, installing templates. Copy the template file to Visual Studio's project. Templates directory, typically at Documents, then Visual Studio, then Templates, then Project Templates. Restart. Visual Studio and the template appears in the New Project dialog under the appropriate language and project type category. Next, using project templates. In Visual Studio, select File, then New, then Project, and browse to locate your installed template. Select it and configure the project name location and any template-specific parameters. Visual Studio generates a new project with all predefined code structure configurations and dependencies ready for development. Finally, creating custom templates. Create your own templates by configuring a project in Visual Studio, then selecting Project, then Export Template. The wizard packages your project structure source files and settings into a template file with parameter substitution tokens for project name namespace and other customizable elements. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You may find success with a solution built on independent file logic that aims to read the file header at the byte level to identify the format, regardless of its current label. Since we tried everything on the format, it's time for the professional fix. FileMagick is your best bet for files that are unreadable by Windows or standard open source programs. You can find it at filemagick.com. I hope the fix worked perfectly. Like the video, and I'll see you for the next advanced troubleshooting session.